Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Citymapper application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application will allow you to search for places in different cities and countries, and in order to choose that, just click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the city button and just choose the city that you're in. And once you did that, you will see the map of the city, and at the home page you can search for routes and directions, and once you type the start and the end position, you will be able to see the suggested lines, the buses, how you can get there using different means of transport, cabs, scooters and cycles. And you can also see how many calories you will burn if you walk there, for example, or if you use the cycles. And overall it's a very good application. It's easy to use, and you will find all the necessary informations and settings at this page at the top of the page on the left. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.